Hi everyone, I'm Eric from the Airport Customer Service and Cargo team, and I'm here with Azim Mistry, our Director of Airport Operations. As you're all aware, teams all across Delta are working around the clock to keep our people and our customers safe from COVID-19, which you probably know as the coronavirus. On top of our normal cleaning procedures, we're taking extra steps to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. Azim, tell us a little bit about the procedures that we're using now.
Sure, thanks Eric. Our teams are performing a fogging procedure using a high-grade disinfectant to disinfect the surfaces that we all touch inside the aircraft. The cleaning disinfectant is sprayed into the aircraft with fogging machines. The disinfectant sticks to surfaces as soon as it's applied.
Azim, how effective is the disinfectant that we're using?
Eric, it's highly effective against many communicable diseases, including coronaviruses. This same disinfectant is used in restaurants and hospitals across the country and is immediately safe for our employees and our customers after application.
Azim, when did we start the fogging processes that we're using now?
Eric, we started fogging our Asia-Pacific arrivals earlier in February and since then have been expanding.
And after the aircraft's disinfected, the entire aircraft is cleaned with cleaning crews coming through the cabin and doing a thorough cleaning of all the cabin surfaces, including the tray tables, the seat back screens, the consoles, and even the crew rest areas. The common areas are also cleaned, like the lavatories and galleys, using the same high-grade disinfectant we use to fog the aircraft. Azim, thanks for this information. Thanks for everything that you and the entire team are doing to help keep our customers and our employees safe and healthy.